Greetings from Camp Bogart. I'm Russ Dale, not really live, but I just wanted to say how blessed I am for the ability to have peace and solitude and relaxation on a Sunday here at Camp Bogart. Would you like a small tour? We have a nook here, a table nook, chairs galore for guests, a massive fire pit on which bratwurst and sweet red peppers cook, trash barrels, tiki torches, lanterns, speakers and coffee pots and snacks and treats, fly catcher, filthy flies. Hopefully they die with the first frost. And then we have this Tonkawa Trail, this Tommy's Run, which we walk through to find a festive display, not complete yet, but it's an outhouse. An outhouse for people to poop and pee in peace. It's a beautiful structure. And the view from the outhouse. There's even things for the children to play. Peaceful, calm. And then this copse of trees. Oh, I got a text message. Camp Bogart itself. The Tonkawa Trail. Kind of lonely down here. But room for so many. Room for frivolity. Well-mannered frivolity. Another text message. Wow, I must be a popular person. I shall finish cooking lunch, tending to the fire, and watching NFL football on this relaxing Sunday at Camp Bogart. I am blessed. You guys have a good day. Smile, stay hydrated, drink plenty of water. I will be out here absorbing nature and having a relaxing time. Until then, drive the pink and purple Jeep, my friends. Drive and live.